Have you ever wondered how Appian translates your code into a SQL statement? Well, this is easier than you think, and I'm going to show you in this video. To begin, I have this query that is a bit complex. We can see that it has a query entity and its fetch total count. Within the query we have this part called aggregations, in which I am grouping each of the columns that I am passing as a parameter. The list of columns to group is this. And in the next part I have the logical expression. This first expression has two logical expressions as children and has an OR operator. My first logical expression has an AND operator and it has three filters. The second logical expression also has an AND operator but it only has two AND filters. It is also passing a list of integers as a parameter in the property of ID car. When clicking on test we can see that it brings us 20 results, and they are grouped by the columns that we pass as parameter. In order to see how Appian does the translation, we have to go to the system logs, go to the audit part, then we enter a folder that has the relational database logs and inside there we take the record that does not have the tar extension. Here we have the execution of today's queries. Many of them are done automatically by Appian. At the end of the document is the query that we just executed. It is grouped by the timestamp as you can see. They all end in 05-2057, but we are interested in what I am selecting at the moment. From the select this to the order descending, copy all this and then go to the Appian database. In this case you format it to be more readable and we can see that it has a few characters that Appian has added. I don't know exactly what they mean so I'll remove them so that the database can interpret it correctly. We format again and see that it's a perfectly normal query. It just has some aliases on the columns. Appian is setting the view it's querying to, and we can see here that it's grouping our AND operators differently, but is obviously making it functional. At the bottom we find the group by and also the order by. If we click go, it's the same output we get in our Appian interface. I hope this video has helped you a lot. Remember that you can also go to this log in case you are facing errors in your queries.